Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get gold notes on Instagram. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram app installed on your phone. And now, simply tap on this message icon at the top right corner. Okay, so here on your screen, you have the option of a note where you can post anything which will be shared with your mutual followers. At the moment, Instagram notes are turning gold in honor of the Paris Olympics. To make your Instagram notes gold, you will need to use certain Olympic related keywords and emojis. And here's the list of Olympic related keywords and emojis. You can use these keywords to turn your notes into gold. To use them, simply tap on the note option and now type in any one of the keyword or emoji. And then tap on the share option. Once your note has turned gold, you can add more Olympic related terms and emojis to make it even more outstanding. And if I will remove gold word from my note, it will turn into normal note. And as you can see that it is turned into normal note. And that's it. That's how you can get gold note on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.